Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time seeing my face. My name is Aisha and Assalamu alaikum to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Ramadan Kareem. So this is going to be the beginning of my Ramadan series. I uploaded a Ramadan prep video yesterday, and today I am going to be uploading Ramadan day 1 vlog and just showing you what I did on my first day of Ramadan. But I am really excited to do this series. I never really thought I would be incorporating religion or anything like that into my channel, but I decided that I wanted to just stay true to myself on my channel. It's fashion, it's makeup, it's lifestyle, and my religion is a part of my lifestyle, and me trying to maneuver through just, you know, everything and trying to be the best version of myself, and also just trying to find myself within my religion. Anyways, through this series I will be cooking, I will be, you know, talking about my morning devotions that I'll be doing during Ramadan. I will be, you know, just sharing my goals for what I want to get out of Ramadan, and we'll have like daily sit down talks and just, you know, just be communicating with each other. And since we won't be able to like have that sense of community, like going to the masjid and praying tarawih prayers and having like group iftars and things of that sort, I think this is like a good alternative just to feel like I am still part of a community during Ramadan, and just, you know, communicating with you guys and relating with one another and just sharing in all that Ramadan is, the Ramadan goodness. Actually, before we leave, I want you guys to make sure you like this video and subscribe if you are excited for Ramadan and you are excited to see the Ramadan content. So, yeah. So today I'm about to start making spaghettis and meatballs. Well, maybe not meatballs, but spaghetti with some sauce with ground beef in it. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. But I'm not going to show myself because I look a hot mess right now. So you guys are just going to see the food and the process of cooking it. But yeah, I started vlogging a bit late today because I just feel like I had a late start for today and we were busy doing stuff. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna make some spaghetti and I'm gonna make some, this is hibiscus, and in they call it like the juice that's gonna be made of it, different things. So like we call it zobo. I know some other countries call it bisap, but I mean it's just hibiscus, and I'm gonna be using that with pineapples, lemon, ginger to make some juice, and it's really, really good. So you guys, if you have some hibiscus lying around, just try this recipe out. It's really good. Alright, so one thing I do once I put my water on the stove for my spaghetti is I'll take like a spoon of salt and I'll put it in the water so the water boils quicker. I think most people do that. We put our salt in here because we're African and we don't waste, we recycle, we reuse. There we go, we reuse. So instead of throwing this bouillon thing away, we put salt in it. So after the water is done boiling, I'm going to put the spaghetti in it. Now I'm going to chop up some onions. We already have our minced garlic. Makes life way easier. And I'm going to chop some ginger as well, because with the virus going around, you just kind of want to make sure your immune system is like up there. And whenever I have ginger, I just feel like, yep, it's combating everything and I'm good. So I put ginger in everything. Alright, so I actually have to make 2 different things for the spaghetti because my mom is on a diet, so she's not going to eat spaghetti. So I'm going to make her some zucchini spirals, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do that as well. Right now my brother's at the store getting some ground beef because we didn't have any more, because I used it all to make the beef patties yesterday. But I'm just going to wash the dishes in the meantime while I wait for them to get back with that, and put this in the water. And this is like a huge one. It's like 2 pounds. My secret here is that while I make the spaghetti, I'm just gonna make enough for us to eat today, because you don't want to be wasteful during Ramadan just because, oh, you think people are gonna eat so much because they haven't eaten all day. No, I feel like you should still try to cook as much as you need for that day. When it comes to stuff like spaghetti and rice, at least, like white rice. But everything else, like the soup, like the sauce that I'm gonna make a lot of the sauce, because you can just refrigerate the sauce and then heat it up and then make spaghetti again with, like, to eat with the sauce. So the instructions say to put the zucchini in, to put it in a skillet with olive oil. We don't have olive oil, but we have canola oil, so that's what we're gonna be using today. And we're just gonna cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. That's what the box says. I wonder how this tastes. Like, it has this water in it. Looks very interesting, and it kind of smells fermented, honestly, but. This is what it's looking like so far. Yeah, very interesting. So I am just going to allow this to cook till it's brown, and then I'm going to start adding the seasoning to it. So we're about to start making the zobo right now, and I want to, well, we're gonna start off with the pineapples. We're gonna chop up the pineapples and then blend the pineapples. We're using this because I didn't want to use the same whatever blender that I used for the pepper for it. And you actually want to make sure you keep the pineapple peels because we're going to use it, we're gonna boil that as well while we're making it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that we're gonna use. So the first thing you want to do with the zobo is you want to pour some hot water, some warm water in there. And that's just to kind of rinse it. So this is going to rinse it up. And then you just get your sieve. Sorry, and then you just get your sieve and then you pour it out. But yeah. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So this is currently what it's looking like. I'm gonna allow it to come to a boil, and everything is just going to, you know, be yummy in there. It's gonna be so good, and I feel like it has so many nutritional benefits, and I'm gonna put it all on the screen. And I feel like this is a really good drink to have during this time where, you know, like people are getting sick. Has ginger, lemon, and then a whole bunch of fruits in there. So I'm gonna put like the benefits on the screen just so you guys know why you should drink it, besides the fact that it tastes good. Okay, so now we're gonna make some fried Oreos for dessert, and Mary went to go get the Oreos, shout out to her. And we have pancake mix. Hey, fried Oreos, oh my gosh. We need to find a better process of doing this. So here are the finished products for the fried Oreos. It tastes really good, actually. Ugh, the lighting is so bad down here, but guys, girl. Mom, can you give a review?
Everything is perfect.
Thank you. So we already finished eating our first Iftar dinner of Ramadan, and it was good. You know, we talked about what we learned today. And like that's like a little challenge that we gave ourselves, is like, you know, each person talk about what they learned that day during Ramadan, whether it's about themselves or about the religion. and it was really nice. I think it's a new tradition that's here to stay. But now I'm about to put Javonia's hair in braids really quick so it could be out of the way, right?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna record myself doing that and like super zoom in. Please excuse my little funky turban. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close out today's vlog here, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching my vlogs and for supporting my channel so far. It's been so much fun, like just consistently posting and just, you know, doing what I really like to do. I promise I'm trying my best to do better with vlogging and with editing and putting out better content. As the more I do it, the better I get. So, you know, just give me suggestions, and thank you guys so much for the feedback I have been getting, and constructive criticism is welcome. I appreciate it. But yeah, I don't know why I'm out of breath. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up her hair, and then yeah, I'll just I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.